What's the meaning of blackthorn? Blackthorn. Blackthorn.
Blackthorn. Blackthorn. Blackthorn is a shrub or small tree that belongs to the rose family. It is known for its thorny branches and dark, hardwood. The plant has a long history of use in traditional medicine, folklore, and mythology. In Irish and Scottish folklore, blackthorn is often associated with the Celtic goddess, Morrigan, and was said to have magical properties. The wood was also used in the making of walking sticks, pipes, and musical instruments due to its durability and dark color. In addition, the fruit of the blackthorn, called sloes, are sometimes used in the production of gin and other spirits.